it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And yes, I know we have been going through some ups and some downs, and you guys have been trying to figure out what's going on. Where is Fashion Tamer? Okay. I will have all your answers very, very soon. But starting off, let's get into this wig review, because this Chaka Khan, this Diana on top of my head, and I really wish they would have named her Diana, but she is everything and then some. So let's get started. This is coming from the Empress company. The Empress company. This is coming from Sensationnel. This is one of their Empress lace wigs. I'm being slow today. But yes, this is one of their Empress lace wigs by Sensationnel. It is a natural center part, as you can tell. And her name is Amani. That's right, this is Amani. And I do have mine in the color number 1. And I believe she was pretty reasonable. You know, I still don't give out prices. I'll try to leave that in the description box, and if I don't, I just leave the different links of where to find this unit. But it's super, super soft. As you can tell, it does have some texture. It is puffy, and it's giving me every ounce of feel goodness. I don't know how to explain this. Like, every time I look at this wig, it makes me feel some type of way. It makes me feel extra special. It makes me just, I don't know, it's just there, and it's, goodness. I love it. So, I know you guys are want the deets, so let me give you the deets. So, this unit does have 2 combs in the front, located here. They have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. And this hair texture it's not silky, it's more so on the Yaki side, but not that rough Yaki texture. It's actually like, I don't know, it's like soft Yaki. That's the best way to put that, soft Yaki. And if my voice sounds a little raspy right now, I am literally getting over a cold, and today is the first day that I actually have a voice and I'm able to talk to you guys. Because trust and believe, this has been a hard process, not being able to talk to you guys. But yes, but I love Amani. She's very pretty. I love the way she looks. I love, like I said, I love the fullness of her. She's not that long. To me, she's not that long. To somebody else, she's probably like, no, that's way too long. But to me, she's not that long. But she does give you every ounce of natural vibes. So if you guys are looking for a badass wig that's giving you natural hair looks, especially natural ringlet, like wand curled looks, definitely cop this unit. And like I said before, I will leave links below to let you guys know not when, but where to find this unit. And yes, I'm here for her. Like, she might be my winner down there. I might be wearing her to work this weekend. I don't know. I'm feeling some type of way about her. But yes, but as always, if this video was to you guys liking and highly informational, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.